everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna making a carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. I'm super thrilled with this recipe because it came out so delicious. So let's prepare the ingredients and let's get started. So guys, I have here all the ingredients I need in my carrot cake recipe. I measured and prepared all of them so that I will just keep pouring and throwing them into my bowl. So guys, first things first, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and right now I'm just going to brush my baking pan with some oil just to make sure no delicious cake batter will stick on the pan. So guys, let's start by cracking 2 eggs into our mixing bowl and add half a cup of oil. I'm also adding half a cup of brown sugar. And just grab your whisk and whisk them until the sugar granules dissolve. Now, add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix to combine. So on this, I'm going to sieve 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And just sieve it to remove any lumps. And just grab your whisk and whisk them until well combined. Now I'm adding 3 carrots that I shredded into small pieces just like this. I also have here 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 of a cup of desiccated coconut, and 1/4 cup of chopped chocolates. So using your spatula, mix all the ingredients until well incorporated. Then into our prepared baking pan, pour in the cake batter. Level the butter as even as possible. So this will go to our preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And just keep it aside and let it cool down completely. While waiting for our cake to cool down, I'm going to make the cream cheese frosting. So I have here 200 grams of cream cheese, about 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a tablespoon of milk. And I'll be needing an electric mixer in here guys so that we can achieve that super creamy frosting. So right now, I'm just going to sieve the powdered sugar just to remove any lumps. Then just pour in the rest of the ingredients. So using my spatula, I'm just going to mix the ingredients I will just start creaming them before I mix them using the electric mixer. Start mixing the cheese frosting using your electric mixer from medium to high speed until you reach your desired fluffiness and stiffness of your frosting. This is the consistency of the frosting that I'm looking for. So now, I'm just covering it with a plastic wrap and I will just keep this into the fridge while waiting for the cake to cool down completely. So guys, I have here the carrot cake that is completely cooled down. I also have here the cream cheese frosting. What I'm just gonna do is to pour over all this frosting on the top of the carrot cake and just spread it all over, just like this one, guys. Guys, make sure the cake is completely cooled down before spreading the frosting. Not really cold, but make sure it's not hot, because if the cake is hot and you start spreading the frosting, it's just going to be useless, guys. Your frosting will just melt. It's a carrot cake, guys, so I'm just going to sprinkle some shredded carrots on the top of the cake. This is how you will show them that this is a carrot cake without telling them that this is a carrot cake. So guys, here's my creamy, cheesy, and super delicious carrot cake. I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!